Welcome to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. In this tutorial, we are solving a surd equation. Now let's begin. Right here, we need to use this law of surds and exponents that says a to the power m, the nth root of that gives us a to the power m over n. So we are going to use this law to simplify that part here. Okay, so we are going to have a to the power a plus 1 is equal to a over, when you are using this, you are going to say this is a to the power 1 over 3, because you see there's a 1 there, okay, which is just like the m. So that would be 1 over 3. Okay, now we're going to say a to the power a plus 1 is equal to. On this one, we are going to use this law of exponents that says a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. Okay, now we're going to do it here. We're going to have a to the power 1 minus 1 over 3. Now that is going to give us a to the power a plus 1 is equal to a to the power 2 over 3. If you say 1 minus 3, you get 2 over 3. But now if you look closely at that equation, you realize that we've got the same basis, okay, and the basis a there, okay, which means the exponents are the same. We have the same basis, the exponents are the same. So we are going to say a plus 1, this exponent, is equal to 2 over 3, right? Then we're going to solve that equation. We're going to say a is equal to minus 1 plus 2 over 3, and that is going to give us a is equal to minus 1 over 3. Then we have managed to solve for a. We've come to the end of this session. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Enjoy your day.